Today we are going to do the unboxing of the Spirit Animal Oracle deck. This deck is by 𝗨𝗨𝗃𝗁, and actually I get connect to the animals and birds, and I feel very influenced by them. Just by observing them, just by connecting them, I feel we get a lot of messages, and they are many animals and birds come in our life to help us evolve in our spiritual journey, and they are like the messengers from the divine to us. So that's what I got called to get this Spirit Animal Oracle deck. So let's see. So as you can see, this is a quite big deck. So this deck contains 68 cards and a guidebook. So as we can see, there is a beautiful artwork on this deck. So there are a lot of flowers and the feathers and a stack. So let's see. So as soon as we open the deck, the box says the spirits residing in the natural world have much to share, and the secrets of their forgotten language are now available to you. So this deck, if you get called to connect to the animals and birds, so this deck will definitely help you to get their messages more prominently. Okay, so this is a guidebook. A big guidebook. So the index, then a welcome note, introduction, and how to work with this deck. And as in other guidebooks also, we can see there are the 1 card, 2 card and 3 card spreads, also 7 card spread. So how to do that, it is explained over here, and how to read the messages from the cards, it is explained. And after that, all the respective cards and their messages are explained. So the oracle message and then the protection message is also defined. Okay, so quite a big guidebook, so you can go through this. So there is a ribbon provided, so you can easily pull up the cards. So let's just keep the box aside. And as you can see, there is a beautiful artwork on the cards. Okay, so very beautiful artwork. So let's see the cards one by one. Okay, so the first one is the Ant Spirit, which says time to collaborate. Let me adjust so that can be viewed better. The second one is the Antelope Spirit, life is speeding up. So I'm just loving the artwork on the cards. The next one is the Armadillo Spirit. Set healthy boundaries. Beautiful artwork. Then the Badger Spirit. Be fearless and bold. Lot of flash and feathers are used in the artwork, which are I'm getting drawn to them very much. And then the Bat Spirit. A rebirth is assured. I'm getting like this card reminds me of the Hermit mode. Okay, and just I'm getting drawn to the third eye of it. So when you connect more with yourself, then a rebirth is assured. That's what I'm getting looking at this card. Then the next one is the Beaver Spirit. Lay a solid foundation. Bee Spirit. Sweet results await. So don't be afraid of doing that much needed hard work, as sweet results await. Next one is the Bobcat Spirit. Life is a mystery. I'm getting drawn to its eyes, and those eyes looks very mystical. The next one is the Brown Bear Spirit. So take time out. The next is the Buffalo Spirit. The abundant universe will provide. So just have that trust that there is abundance in the universe for everyone, and we are worthy of that abundance and will definitely get it. Wow, this one is very beautiful. The Butterfly Spirit, and the card number is 11, and it says transformation is beautiful. And I'm getting vibes of crown chakra. There are a lot of butterflies from the crown chakra flying above. So the connection with the divine and the universe is getting stronger. The next card is the Canary Spirit. Sing your own song. So I'm getting the vibe like be more mindful, enjoy the current moment, and sing to the tune of life. The next one is the Cat Spirit, which says claim your independence. So cats are like maybe some people call them selfish, but they put themselves first as a priority. That's what I feel. And once you do that, you'll have those wings like it is shown on the card. Okay. Wow. The next one is the Chameleon Spirit. Act as if. Beautiful card. The next one is the Cow Spirit. The miracles are endless. I'm getting the vibe like you can achieve whatever you want. You can get all that abundance. It's just that you need to believe in yourself and in your manifestations. The next one is the Coyote Spirit. Trust in the divine detours. The next card is the Crow Spirit. Co-create with the spirit. and I'm getting lot of ancestral vibes. Deer Spirit, bring a gentle touch. So I'm getting lot of sacral chakra vibes, lot of self-care. Be more loving to yourself. The next one is the Dog Spirit. Be loyal to what you love. So you need to believe in yourself and you need to believe in what you are doing. Okay? The next one is the Dolphin Spirit. This and that are true. Very beautiful card. The next one is the Dove Spirit. Be peace. So lot of soothing vibes just looking at this card. Dragonfly Spirit. Truth transcends illusion. So you need to believe in your truth and you need to believe that the truth will always win over anything. The next one is the Eagle Spirit. Eagle always encourages us to look at the things from the higher perspective, and here the Eagle Spirit is also telling that Spirit has our back. The next one is the Electric Eel Spirit. Bring your ideas to life. So if you are getting any ideas or your intuition is speaking to you to do anything, so don't take a step back and go ahead. Elephant Spirit, learn from the past. As elephants remember each and every memory, so learn from whatever you have gone through. Wow. Flamingo Spirit says embrace the in-between. So maybe I'm getting the message like currently we are transitioning from 3D to 5D consciousness. So just flow with whatever is coming and accept that and just embrace it. The Fox Spirit, think on your feet. Beautiful card it is. Next one is the Frog Spirit. Clear out the clutter. So I'm getting lot of nature vibes. Connect to the nature, grounding, and as you keep on doing that, you'll be able to clear out what is unwanted. Just release it. Okay. The next one is the Giraffe Spirit. See the big picture in everything. Don't just look on the current scenario. The next one is the Grasshopper Spirit. It is encouraging us to take that leap of faith. So trust in the divine and take that step. The next one is the Groundhog Spirit. It's time to let go. So let go whatever is not serving for the highest good. Okay. I'm also getting the self-love vibes. Hawk Spirit. Let Spirit be your guide. So I'm getting like, are you listening to the messages which you are receiving? If not, then please do. The next one is the Horse Spirit. Freedom is yours. So just connect more with yourself and detach from the drama outside. Seek freedom within yourself. Hummingbird Spirit. Be here now. It's a lot of beautiful colors. So I'm getting mindfulness. The next one is the Koala Spirit. Spirit has a plan. So just have that trust and keep moving ahead with whatever you are doing. But it is important to have that unconditional trust in the divine. The next one is the 𝗨𝗏𝗶 Spirit. There is always enough. So get out of that lack mentality and get more or tap into that abundant mindset, okay? I'm getting a lot of abundance vibes. The next one is the Lion Spirit. Be generous of spirit. So step into your own power and I'm getting a lot of need to step into your own power, okay? The next one is the Lizard Spirit. Dream the world into being. So have those dreams and have that courage to make them the reality. So don't shy away putting those efforts, okay? The next one is the Moth Spirit. Surrender now. So maybe it's time for you to surrender. Mouse Spirit. Tend to the small things. So I'm getting a lot of need to be more grateful, gratitude vibes. So don't focus on the big things. Just be happy and look for the small pleasures, the small good things in life and be happy for them. Nightingale Spirit. Love is all around. So love is all around. Just sing, dance and focus on that love, okay? Otter Spirit. Beautiful card it is. You are never alone. So I'm getting a lot of divine love vibes. So your angels, all the animal spirit guides, they are always with us. We are never alone on our path. The next one is the Owl Spirit. Beautiful card it is. You see clearly now. So the Owl Spirit is here to give us wisdom and enables us to see clearly through the illusions with the help of our wisdom. The next one is the Panther Spirit, which says claim your power. So So I'm getting lot of like getting passionate towards what we want to achieve. So believe in your passions, pursue your passions, just believe in your power and claim it. The next one is the Parrot Spirit. So I'm getting like, don't speak too much without thinking, be more watchful or be more mindful what you are speaking, and don't indulge into gossip. The next one is the Peacock Spirit. Let it shine. So a very beautiful card and very soothing vibes. Beautiful card it is. Next one is the Pig Spirit. Use your mind wisely. So be more mindful, be more wise in your day-to-day interaction or day-to-day life. Next one is the Porcupine Spirit. Time for beginner's mind. So many times in life we just need to start afresh and as if we are a beginner, and that fresh mindset helps us achieve a lot of good things. The Rabbit Spirit. Now is a lucky time. So rabbit represents abundance, lot of good things happening. So I am getting that. The next one is the Rhino Spirit. Overcome any obstacle. Lot of beautiful flowers. So don't focus on the obstacles. Focus on what you have, okay? The next one is the Sandpiper Spirit. Be playful. So enjoy your life. That's what I'm getting. Next one is the Scarab Beetle Spirit. Magic works through you. So I always believe that every one of us have that magical spark within. So just believe in that and let that magic work. Okay. The next one is the Seahorse Spirit. Watch and wait. So it is time to be patient. You have put your efforts. Now you need to wait for those seeds to grow. Okay. The next one is the Skunk Spirit. Know your worth. So, any beliefs regarding self-worth? The next one is the Snake Spirit. Time to heal. The next one is the Spider Spirit. Make your dreams real. So keep on working, keep on creating that web. I'm getting a lot of networking vibes which will help you to make your dreams real. The next one is the Squirrel Spirit. So as the squirrel believes in her ability to break that hard shell of that nut, so just believe in yourself. The next one is the Stag Spirit. Take the lead. The same card which is on the guidebook and on the cover page of the deck. This is really a very beautiful card. Very gentle, very soothing, yet very like standing in your own power vibes. The next one is the Starfish Spirit, open to infinite possibilities. Just believe that there are infinite possibilities available for you, and you will be able to see them. The next one is the Swan Spirit. Time for a deep dive. So I am getting drawn to these big flowers. So need to connect more with your inner self, deep dive within, okay, to get that ability to differentiate the milk and the water like a swan does, okay. Next one is the Turkey Spirit. Give with gratitude and grace. The next one is the Turtle Spirit. Slow and steady wins the race. I think I need not say anything about this, it is quite clear. The next one is the Vulture Spirit. Nothing is wasted. So even if you are not seeing the results of the efforts you have put in, so don't worry, you will be soon receiving, because nothing is wasted. The Wasp Spirit. Sometimes life stings. The next one is the Whale Spirit. As the whales are in the deep waters, so there are mysteries to life. So just trust into the divine and keep going ahead. The next one is the White Raven Spirit. Trust in the magic. So I'm getting the vibe like be more grateful to your ancestors, because their blessings are protecting you. And the second last one is the Wolf Spirit. Turn knowledge into wisdom. And last one is the Wombat Spirit. Be at home. Beautiful cards and beautiful artwork, okay. So I'll just shuffle these cards and I'll just pull a card just for the guidance, okay. So 2 cards wanted to come out, and if you see the numbers, these are 12 and 13. So these might be significant numbers for you. And the back of deck is the Buffalo Spirit. The abundant universe will always provide. So just have that belief and trust that the universe is abundant and you will be provided abundantly. So the cards which have come out are Canary Spirit. So sing your own song. So I am getting like a lot of solar plexus chakra. So many are stepping into their own power, and maybe it will take some time. Till that time, just keep on doing what you are doing, believe in yourself, and just enjoy what you're doing, enjoy the process. Don't focus much on the destination, but just enjoy what you are going through right now, okay? And be grateful for that, and you'll soon be rewarded with whatever hard work you are putting in, okay? And the cat spirit, which says claim your independence. So I'm getting drawn to the number 13 very much. So, and I'm getting drawn to her eyes. So I'm getting like cats are very intuitive. So just trust your intuition, and whatever intuitive nudges you are getting, trust those. Communicate clearly whatever intuitive nudges you are getting. So communicate them, because you are getting those nudges because the collective needs to get those through writing, through oracle cards, through whatever medium is suitable to you, whatever you are comfortable with, but express those, okay? And communicate those with the world, with the people around you, because doing this will also help you to grow, to be in your own power, and to be in alignment to your higher self. I'm getting angels are there around you. Angels are helping you to do this. So don't just shy away or don't doubt yourself. It is meant to be communicated, and that's why you are getting those messages, okay? So that's it for today, and I hope you like the video, and I hope the messages will help you. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon so that you will get notified of any such upcoming videos. Thank you, until we meet next time. Bye.